Alligator River National Wildlife Refuge and East Lake. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now, move to a basement. Tornado emergency for the Outer Banks. The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a tornado warning for Dare County in eastern North Carolina until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Buffalo City, or about 9 miles southeast of Mans Harbor, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Tornado emergency for the Outer Banks. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take cover now. Hazard: deadly tornado. Source: weather spotters confirm tornado impact. You are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be destroyed. Considerable damage to homes, businesses, and vehicles is likely, and complete destruction is possible. Locations impacted include Mans Harbor, Manteo, Roanoke Island, Kitty Hawk, Kill Devil Hills, Nags Head, Fort Raleigh City, Watches, Crotone Sound, Dare County Regional Airport, and Bodie Island. To repeat, a large, extremely dangerous, and potentially deadly tornado is on the ground. To protect your life, take cover now, move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. A large and extremely dangerous tornado is on the ground. Take immediate tornado precautions. This is an emergency situation. Tornado emergency for the Outer Banks. The National Weather Service in Newport has issued a tornado warning for Dare County in eastern North Carolina until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a confirmed large and destructive tornado was located near Buffalo City, or about 9 miles southeast of Mans Harbor, moving northeast at 45 miles.
Look at them yo-yos, that's the way it...
Following message is transmitted at the request of Dare County Emergency Management. Massive tornado damage has been reported in multiple towns in the Outer Banks due to a violent tornado that ripped through the area several hours ago. Numerous roads are completely impassable or destroyed due to massive debris blocking them. Injuries and fatalities have also been reported in Roanoke Island, as well as Kitty Hawk, Kill Devil Hills, and Nags Head. Cars and trucks have been twisted and mangled beyond recognition. Because of the extensive damage in the Outer Banks, authorities are advising residents to stay off the road and to stay in their homes until the all-clear is given. Stay tuned to local media and television stations for the latest information on this dangerous situation.